How old is Ghana today?
Hey. Ghana is 68.
Ghana is 67 years.
68. 67 years.
Who is confusing who?
67. 67.
Ghana is 67 years today.
Okay.
I wasn't really
Really know.
I wasn't there today.
You are not there. Are you sure? Are you sure? What's up, Ghana, Africa to the world, and Kevin Official speaking. This is yet another episode of Hood Vybz Show, and on this episode, we are on the streets. We are asking few questions about today's independence. Keep it locked here. What day is today?
Today is some like it's a national day.
A national day.
A national day.
That might be right.
So
Ghana
how
Independence Day?
Independence Day.
Yeah.
How old is Ghana today?
Ghana is 67 years today.
Okay, spell Ghana.
Ghana, capital G H A N A. Ghana.
Ghana.
That's Ghana.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Be like
Ghana.
one word lost.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
You sure?
Sure.
You sure say Ghana? I spell Ghana. Capital G. I'm starting now. Capital G H.
You know be old there.
Oh no, no be O. No be O. Oh no, the inside crown. That's one question.
Luca, how old is Ghana today?
67.
67. Spell 67.
67 is a number.
I say spell the word 67.
It's a number. Because I'm tired this afternoon. I can't spell anything.
Yeah, bro, spell 67.
I'm tired, please.
Viewers, apologize. I'm continue.
So, Abi, you know, say today be Independence Day.
Yeah.
Okay. So, I just want to make you spell the word independent. Give me.
INDENP. Independence.
Yeah, boss.
INDENPENC. Independence.
You say?
I could have killed a lot.
You say?
INDENPEDENCY.
How old is Ghana today?
67.
67.
Yeah.
Spell the word Ghana.
GHANA.
G-A.
GHANA.
Okay, thank you. Charlie, Abi, you know say today is Independence Day.
Yes.
How old is Ghana today?
68.
68 years. How old is Ghana today?
67 years.
67 years.
Yeah.
Who is confusing who?
Patrick.
Quiet!
Oh no, you say 50.
8.
50.
7.
Okay, now spell the word Ghana.
Capital GHANA. Ghana.
Spell the word independent.
I cannot spell it.
What's up?
Adegu.
Everything cool?
Everything fine.
How old is Ghana today?
Ghana is 67 years.
67. Spell the word Ghana.
GHANA. Ghana.
Spell the word independent.
Independence. INDEPENDENCE. Independence.
Banyak balenye. Banyak balenye.
Open your regime.
Gojiri. Kotomreka.
Okay.
Mention the big six.
The big sis.
The names of the big six.
Nahamari. Adopele.
Adopele. What's up?
Yeah, I did.
You go mention your name.
Yeah, my name be Discipline. Yeah.
Discipline.
Yeah.
Okay. Abi, you know say today be Independence, right?
Yeah, I know I.
Okay, so how old is Ghana today?
Oh, Ghana is 68.
Like if it was my own son, before people would come here, I could have killed a lot.
Ghana is 68.
68.
Yeah.
You sure?
I saw.
You sure?
I saw.
60 what?
68.
Okay. You spell the word Ghana.
Oh, GHANA.
GHANA. You sure say Ghana? Oh no, they inside.
Oh no, they inside.
Okay, alright. Which year did Ghana become independent?
6 March 1957.
For where?
This Independence Day. Independence Day, Charlie.
You see the big six and the lineup. You see the big six. Who came second?
Who came second?
Yeah.
Hey.
Hands up. Boys, for my own protection now.
No.
Okay, you know Yawa. Who came first?
No problem. God will see us. There is God.
Oh. The first person. I mean, they line up 3 top, 3 down, right?
Yes.
So who came first?
The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be.
Is it? Let me see.
Bang!
So who is this person? So the second one.
Lamte or what?
If they ask me.
Yeah.
Okay. You wait to go. In which year did Ghana become independent?
1957.
For where?
For where? Independence School.
Independence Square.
Yes.
Spell independent.
Independent.
Yeah, you can't decide. Okay.
I don't want the camera.
Okay, you can suspect.
I am. Pressure from you.